Hello, my name is Darren Hodgkinson, and this is me showing a square lashing as part of my Forest School Level 3 training. So, and a lot like with a shear lashing, we're connecting two pieces of wood, but this time we're connecting one piece of wood at a right angle to another. And just like with a shear lashing, we're going to start that process with a clove hitch. Okay, so clove hitch is quite important. So like we've seen already, we go over again, and then we put our last little bit through the thing that we just made. Okay, so we should be getting that X just there. Okay, so what we do, the way that we connect this together, is we will be going under, then over, then under again, and then over again. Okay, so we'll do that, and we should do that about maybe 3 times. Okay, so each time we're trying to tighten it up as much as we can. In the same way, we don't really want to overlap if we can help it. Okay, so we're going again under, over, well, under, over, under, over, under, over. Okay, so at this point it's relatively sturdy, but it still needs to be a little sturdier still. So what we do now is we start to wrap around, which we've just gone under one more time, start to wrap around here at this level. Okay, so it's as if I'm just doing circles, and we'll do that 1 or 2 times, and you've got to make sure that it's as tight as you can possibly make it, because this is what gives us our additional sturdiness, if you like. So let's say we're constructing something that we're going to actually use to walk on or something like that. It does need to be relatively sturdy. Okay, so that's quite sort of fixed now. Okay, and obviously you need to want to make that as tight as you possibly can. And then just to finish off, okay, just making sure that we're doing it on the other piece of wood this time, we'll finish that off with a clove hitch. So that is done in exactly the same way. So we go over, over, and then I'll be passing this through for ages, doing my finishing off with my sort of clove hitch. There we go, all 10 meters of it, and this is a little bit sort of get through as well. So there we are. But yeah, it finishes with a clove hitch, and obviously in these situations you'd make sure it's the correct size. But that is how you do a square lashing, used to connect 2 pieces of wood, usually at right angles with each other.